Meaning of Julian calendar.
Julian calendar.
Julian calendar.
Julian calendar.
Julian calendar. The Julian calendar is a calendar system introduced by Julius Caesar in 46 BC. It was a reform of the Roman calendar and was widely used in Europe until it was replaced by the Gregorian calendar in the 16th century. The Julian calendar has a year of 365.25 days, with every fourth year having an additional day, February 29th, to account for the extra quarter day. However, this system was not entirely accurate, and over time it caused the calendar to fall out of sync with the solar year. This discrepancy was corrected with the adoption of the Gregorian calendar, which has a more precise mechanism for leap years and is still in use today in many countries.